Okay. So, can I get out? The guy coming down the start finish straight here is the fastest person on the track. And I might get out in front of them. What are you two doing? Lemons. Absolute lemons. Right, I don't want to get in this guy's way, so inside. Right, and I'm going to follow him. I've got some crazy dude behind me. I think it's one of the people that crashed at the first corner. He's rapid though. Right, I've got cold tyres. He is lunge. He's on the inside. He's from wide. What is that paint scheme on that guy? Is that a frog? I think that's a frog. I think he's got a frog on his car. Hello. Major brown trousers moment. I need a brown trousers button. Right. I've done it again. What is wrong with the car? It's literally on ice. I've spun on my own. Spinning on my own. I think there's something wrong with the car. It's like ridiculous. It's like driving on ice. That's the rev limit. Yes, you can be quiet again. Right. Concentration, Dave. Concentration. Okay. That's actually running wide. I've got to give up a second. Yes, I know. He's cutting grass again. Can we get him? Mr. Frog Boy. Yes. On the outside. Right, okay, concentrate. Now, he's behind me. And I know what he's like. He's a bit of a lunger. Okay, can I do this without running wide? Of course I can. Look at that. That was actually beautiful. Right, I'm back up to this corner. It's a bit of a nightmare. Oh yeah, in a minute. I'm sure I will in a minute. Probably unintentionally. Okay. I want to race this guy behind me. Because he's trying to give me earache. He's actually slightly quicker than me. Shut it, I'm not talking to you, am I? Right, he's with me. He's gonna lunge. Of course he's gonna lunge. Get back. Where is he? Yeah. Eat my dust. Okay. Now one thing I know about the guy behind me is he tends to go off quite a lot. Oh, nice little slide there. I'm definitely recording this.
Yes.
Rudy. Right, I'm still P3. Right, I think.
This is going to be a quick one.
Well, I'm just trying to stay ahead of him. I reckon he's going to dive bomb me any minute. He's wide. He's wide. I'm not. Right, I'm not very good through these sequence of corners. More down to lack of practice than skill, obviously. Right. He's gonna watch this. The problem he's got is I am driving ridiculously well. Yeah, I'll say so myself, but this is outrageous talent on display right here. Well, there's that fastest guy again. If I hadn't spun, I think I'd be with him. Okay, need a good exit. Wasn't bad. I think I'm pulling away from him.
You need to crash.
You want me to crash?
Yeah.
The quickest. I've just set the fastest time of the session, Sophia. I mean, you know. Are you pressing the buttons?
Yes.
Yummy. Right, okay. But Sophia, I don't want to stop. I'm the fastest person in the session. And you want me to crash? Right now, people think, oh my god, who is this? Who's that guy? He's like so good.
Yeah, but
He's gone off. He's gone off. I am Batman. I need a Batman logo. I need a brown trousers and a Batman logo.
Smile.
Okay.
I'm not happy now.
That was an epic exit of that corner. I think I might be able to set a faster lap time here, Sophia. Or crash after this lap, okay? Beautiful bit of trail braking. What were they doing on the outside? Outside. I'm not talking to you. Just leave me alone. I know what I'm doing. Leave me alone. I know what I'm doing. Button. Yeah. See what I did there? I'm catching that guy in the. Why am I surprised I'm catching him when I'm the fastest person here? I know. Right, he's still quite on me, that guy behind. Good exit. Right, I'm going to crash now, Sophia. They crashed. Right. Are you ready for this? I've just absolutely told you can read Burnley College on it. Oh, they nearly hit me. Dangerous. There's a yellow flag somewhere. Thank you very much for watching. I'm the fastest person here. Did you press stop?